Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Sketchup's exact version and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, because mismatches cause failures. Once done, close Sketchup and back up your plugins or extensions folder so you can restore settings if needed. Next, locate the extension. RBZ file, either download from Extension Warehouse or save the developer's package. Now open Sketchup's window menu, then Extension Manager. That's where you'll add the file and start the install. Don't skip the backup step. You open Extension Manager and click Install Extension. This is the standard safe route. When the file dialog appears, navigate to the downloaded RBZ and select it. SketchUp will unpack and register the scripts. Make sure to watch for permission prompts. Respond yes to install. Once installed, enable the extension in the list and read any post-install notes the author provides. If the extension includes toolbars, add them via View Toolbars. Finally, restart SketchUp to initialize the new plugin properly. You now configure the extension settings to fit your workflow. Open its preferences, position toolbars, and set file or asset paths. Once configured, test a few typical tasks to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, first open the Ruby console to capture error messages. This tells you what failed. If errors persist, revert your backup or uninstall, then reinstall the RBZ. One key troubleshooting tip: incompatible SketchUp versions or duplicate scripts commonly cause failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.